Why money runs away from people. You work hard, yet your bank account never seems to grow. You chase money, but it slips through your fingers like sand. Have you ever wondered why money seems to run away from some people, while others attract it effortlessly? The truth is, money follows certain rules that most people ignore. And today, you're about to uncover the hidden forces that determine whether money flows to you or away from you. Most people don't realize that their financial struggles aren't caused by a lack of opportunities. Instead, they stem from something much deeper, their mindset and beliefs about money. If you believe that money is hard to earn or that rich people are greedy, you are unknowingly pushing money away. The subconscious mind is powerful, and it shapes your financial reality. Money, like energy, moves towards those who respect and understand it. Think about it. Wealthy people don't just work hard, they think differently. They see money as a tool, not a burden. They invest rather than spend. They create rather than consume. If money keeps leaving you, it's time to ask yourself, are you treating it with respect, or are you repelling it without realizing? There are 3 major mistakes that make money run away from people. Let's break them down one by one. Living only for today. If you only think about today and never plan for the future, money will never stay with you. The wealthy always think ahead. They invest, they save, and they strategize. Most people are terrified of risk. They would rather stay comfortable than step into the unknown. But the truth is, calculated risks create wealth. Every successful person you admire took a risk at some point. Poor money habits. Your habits shape your financial destiny. Do you track your expenses? Do you invest in knowledge? Or do you let money slip away without realizing where it's going? Now, let's flip the script. Instead of chasing money, how can you make money come to you? Step number 1, develop a wealth mindset. Start by changing your beliefs. Stop seeing money as something scarce. Instead, view it as something abundant, something you can attract with the right mindset and action. Step number 2, build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is dangerous. The wealthy create multiple income sources, investments, businesses, passive income. The more streams you have, the less you worry about money leaving you. Step number 3, learn and adapt. The world is changing fast. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. The people who stay ahead financially are those who adapt, invest in knowledge, and never stop growing. Now, the question is, are you ready to change? Are you ready to stop pushing money away and start attracting it? Because if you apply what you've learned today, your financial life will never be the same again. The choice is yours. But remember, money flows to those who respect and understand it. Make the decision today and start creating the wealth you deserve. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful insights on success and financial freedom. Imagine trying to fill a bucket full of holes. No matter how much water you pour in, it keeps leaking out. This is exactly what happens when you don't control the hidden wealth killers in your life. Silent wealth. Killer number 1, inflation, the invisible thief. Inflation is slowly robbing you, whether you realize it or not. If your money isn't growing, it's actually shrinking. That's why wealthy people invest, because saving alone isn't enough. Silent wealth killer number 2, bad debt, the financial trap. Not all debt is bad, but most people take on debt that keeps them poor. Credit cards, payday loans, buying liabilities instead of assets. Debt can either make you rich or make you a slave. The choice is yours. Silent wealth killer number 3, toxic environment. Look around you. Are the people in your life lifting you up or dragging you down? Your environment shapes your financial habits. If you surround yourself with people who always complain about money, you'll start thinking the same way. Now that you know what's pushing money away, let's talk about how to make it chase you instead. This is the money attraction formula, used by the world's wealthiest individuals. Step 1. Shift from consumer to creator. The poor spend money. The rich create money. If you only consume, buying expensive clothes, gadgets, entertainment, money will always leave you. But if you focus on creating businesses, investments, valuable skills, you'll always attract money. Step 2. The 70-20-10 rule. If you don't control your money, someone else will. Follow this simple rule. 70% for living expenses, 20% for investments, 10% for personal growth. This way, you're not just spending, you're building your future. Step 3. Build high-income skills. Money follows skill. The reason most people struggle financially is because they rely on low-income skills. Instead, learn high-income skills: copywriting, sales, investing, content creation, skills that can generate unlimited income. Success isn't just about strategy, it's about mindset. The world's wealthiest people weren't born rich. They became rich because they refused to think small. Mindset shift number 1, from scarcity to abundance. Poor people think there's never enough. Rich people believe there's always an opportunity. What you believe shapes what you achieve. Mindset shift number 2, from employee to owner. There's nothing wrong with having a job, but if you only rely on one paycheck, you're limiting yourself. Think like an owner. Build assets, create systems, and make money work for you. Mindset shift number 3, from fear to action. Fear is what keeps most people stuck. The only way to break free is to take action, even if you're not ready. Because the truth is, nobody is ever fully ready. Now you have 2 choices. You can forget everything you learned today and stay where you are. Or you can start applying these principles and change your financial destiny forever. The question is, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Are you ready to stop chasing money and start making it chase you? If your answer is yes, then start now. Like this video, subscribe, and join me on this journey to financial freedom. Your future self will thank you. Comment below. What's the number 1 thing you'll change about your money mindset today?